education, stuff like that I'm looking at.
Yeah. Have some good point.
Yeah.
It's history, respect, and you talk from your heart. And so we know, say, you're a real Jamaican because you're experiencing the thing from the ground. You know, say,
Grassroots.
cost of living is really out of hand. And
Yeah.
listen, this is what me know. You see, I don't hate no labor right. Me not hate nobody will be labor right. You could have been a labor right, but you speak the truth and tell me, say, when you hear the young girl go up on the platform Sunday and talk about 15,000, oh, our party leader, the leader, rate to 15,000, and where 15,000 can give her. I said to myself, say, you know, that little girl that she said she born in a recent time, but me I tell myself, say, Jamaica
No,
hopeless, you
but
know, hopeless if you can have
Jordan,
young people go
Sam
on
works. Jordan, Sam works 16,000 and send her to
6,250.
school.
Yes,
But can 15,000,
$6,250.
can 15,000 send a primary school penny go school today?
Send which pitney man?
No.
6,000 that I send she
That
go
can
send
do
girls
nothing
school,
for
you know.
somebody. No.
You Richard, when me,
6,000. Well,
Richard, when me look and listen to her, and I say to myself, so you see that little girl here? God knows so she a get money for this, you know, when she attack, you know, because utter rubbish, she attack out her mouth, you know. These people are so tone deaf. They don't have any conscience in them. They don't have any compassion in them because, no, you tell me this now. Ask yourself the question, Richard. If the 11-year-old will need the surgery, get the surgery yet.
exactly.
No, the 11-year-old with the back surgeon I get it yet, you know. No.
Go look at what I
No, that
Say
is
this real quick.
Oh.
Let me just say this real quick because we need to understand that Jamaica's almost in a recession or heading into a recession. The country is broke. The country is broke. The government has no money. Fiscal year 2024 that we're in, budget was passed in March of this year, and the budget was forecast and projected on money that is owed to the government to collect to mining, bauxite, you know, the few things that them export and agriculture and tourism. And all of those sectors are down. And it's not enough to generate enough revenue to sustain, because Nigel Clark doubled the budget from $650 billion to $1.3 trillion. Now this year is going to have a huge shortfall. The government already overspent $58 million. Last year, fiscal year 2023, the budget had a shortfall of $45 billion. So the only thing the prime minister can do is, number one, increase taxes, which he might get a huge backlash from. Number two, cut spending programs to help the people, which he might get a huge backlash from. And then the third option him have is to go borrow money. And them already borrowed from April till September $260 million.
One second there. This one Rickstar, where you see the surgery, the Rickstar? Tell me now, which part the 11-year-old get that surgery there? When did the 11-year-old got that surgery? The 11-year-old is still waiting to get the surgery.
Jordan, really good man. Jordan,
Eh?
you're not really good man. You say I
will the surgery.
Yeah, I will the surgery will be. So, you don't understand.
I'm gonna finish my point, man. Cause what we talk of facts, you know, and the Jamaican people them need to realize that the country economy are go over a cliff, you know, and some serious hard times are coming on. So right now we need to make the people them know what going on, because the criminal prime minister him not tell the people them the truth, and him hide the truth from the people them and the country in a hard economic times right now. And so them can't get donor funds money from donors overseas, international donor to help them out, and them can borrow money to help them out, or them can pass an emergency amendments budget for the current budget, and they have not do that yet. So right now we're heading into the end of the year, the last quarter before burial, the economy flatline 0.01%. The quarter of burial from July to September, the economy declined by 2.8%. No, that's a big decline in the economy with all sectors falling. And now this last quarter before the calendar year done, my projects that the economy are going to decline again by another 1.5 to 2.5%. So I'm telling you, some serious times are come, hard times are come, and this criminal government now tell the people them the truth. So your agriculture decimated because of the rain, and then prior to the rains and the hurricane season, them cut GCT from raw products imports to come in the country for run competition against our farmers. So this government not do nothing to help the people them. And some serious economic times have come. Me hear somebody say them can't afford this and them can't afford that. Me I telling you, sir, right now.
I want to do my 2 piece, my 2 cent now.
All right, got you new.
Sheila Morgan, go through.
Yeah. I was listening, so I just like to listen before I talk. I'm not like the labor right then. They are so ignorant and dark. That's why them don't learn at school. Them just a chat on a year with teachers and come in with the wrong statement. That's why they cannot read. But I'm just saying, this young man what was talking before about all PNP for dead and who for dead and if the PNP and if young people are them for dead. Why is so ignorant? But this is a road for everybody I go dead too.
I live forever. You're immortal.
No, him come for be a stone. Why are them? Oh, them love war and problems, so them have no peace. Them go to them bed with war and wake up with war and itches in them heart. A country cannot run so.
If you expect 1 inch better from them,
why there's what? If it bars I go on platform and I cut short, that means if they lose election or war.
No, they can't come back with that, man. It's not the same thing, you know.
But is that it feel like what?
Yeah, but that them a preach.
That them a preach for sure.
MP a preach it too.
No, man, no matter them, man.
No, don't say no matter them, you know. The arms of flesh will feel your day that trust your one.
True, mommy.
Man heart is so wicked, so no wonder from us if they may do it, then we do it.
True.
If them could have burned down the senior city so warm up house in a them time there and kill so many all elderly people through election, what them wanna do?
Hold on there. Somebody in our comment section say me I want to see something. The platform there for everybody come share them views. So jump on the platform and come defend about it.
And I think what them say, where we that say no, where the Sanjo one is go. Him do something, him inherit himself in our riches.
Yeah, that Mr. earlier in 28 account.
Yeah, him do something. So no say no do nothing, him do something. But him can't show not the way him do on the ground for the Jamaican people them. People are suffering. I know said the other day I was thinking about all them people we have them children, all them survive from minimum wage. Send children as school.
Yeah, one of them.
To pay a light bill, to pay a water rate. All them survive. Some of them in some little room with all them children, them think they fit done. The government now look for that him and not enrich himself and him friend and him family them. Them not visit poor people and them not see that.
$30. Gone for a little tin of mackerel yesterday. $700. $30 gone for a little tin of mackerel.
One flash out.
Yes, from 170 to 200.
Come on, man. They are so ignorant. They're not listening.
$700 gone for a $500 sugar oil.
All right.
Right?
You can't buy a bread. A family without 2 children. If I am a senior, and if I buy one bread, I just go 2 grandchildren and me say buy your turn on the bread done. And look how much your bread. More time I put bread and fried dumpling, it's still more better.
The truth is, enough of them hungry now, enough of them are suffer, enough of them are beg people money, and them are
Yes,
vote for this, and them are big up this criminal prime minister about him are the best, and them life, them are live
yes,
below
are the
them
best
standards
himself.
and them
You know,
privilege.
best
If them
himself.
was honest and know and tell the truth, them hungry and them are suffer. Look how
You
much
know,
video we say that them are fight Sunday Ghana
you
for go up
know,
and bus to get 5,000
the
and over
Bible
fight
say
over
no.
money. Them
The Bible
hungry,
say,
hungry belly people them.
Not get none.
Vietnam, the
Them
Bible say no, if you call wrong right, there's no truth in you. So them always a call the wrong right. So no truth no in them, you never get no truth from them.
love handout. So them go get rice and mackerel, dumpling and mackerel
What
at
that
them
can
little
do?
community meeting and everything them have them MP, them run to them MP. Them MP have
Handout.
them and depend upon them for every little single thing. Them worthless.
Them
All
what
of them
with
worthless. And I defend corruption. The whole of them
corruption.
corrupt.
That
Yeah
is
man.
wrong. You can't defend wrong. I saw them and treat them could agree with them people to do this scamming and upholding the wrong for them though. That's why them nah better. I want Mark Wally to come and cut us all of them corruption. I mean, no one go win.
Somebody in the background.
Them a pivot and them way out. Them a pivot and them way out of government. Them can't stop comrade leader Mark Golding from win this. The
Them
people that the
can't.
sentiments of the people turn from the JLP government and the party
I'm
for the
from
level of
Post
corruption.
constituency, you know. When she was minister, from Post into constituency. And I am me a socialist. Me not call socialist and a fool. I don't know that song, the socialist and a fool, then can't fool me. And I worked for the party from I was 15 years old and I am 66 now. And I never say me I run and I say, the government give me this, and me I go look school fee or book voucher. No. The Bible says by the sweat of your brother shall it be. Them no want work, them just want the handout. Handout type government not give them. And the government not do nothing for me. And the government have the penny. Then why the government not come and knock every gate and say how much children you have, how much pampers you want, how much sugar you want, and so people want to live.
The moment, you remember how but at them in when them say them fi go with their ID and collect money, then we come with ID.
Yeah. Me not in a them suck me them. I work to look after my children them. Remember no? Buster Martin is saying no, selfish better than education. Them not believe in education.
No.
That's why they are so ignorant and dark
Them
and
not building a
illiterate.
school. Them not building a school, no institution, no learning
No.
institution, no trade center. Them not building nothing. Them have the
Remember
people
no?
them like clown.
Like remember no, Mike and Manny son must read. If you no can't read, ask somebody for read for now, no work on your brain. Listen, Michael man, they bring in Jamal for some elderly we couldn't read. And me see them go all a Cuba go do all debate and them win. The elderly them. I know Wolper elderly couldn't read. I'm from the Jamal, Mike and Mal bring in Jamal. I'm from them come in and cut it out.
I mean I got to say I will
Jamal
cut you
still
out.
there, man.
Remember say man then say if you educate the people, them I walk up sweep them yard and feed them dog. You remember?
Them don't believe in education.
Philip,
So
me
we
see
just,
up on the platform, what you have to say? Well, and Philip did a platform long time.
Oh,
Philip,
yeah, man.
go through.
Yeah. Me then I wait for
that
to
just
come
my
to.
little 2 point
Me
that
then
me
I
have
listen
put
to
in.
Pastor, you
So
know.
when you see them coming and talk about people for dead, a long time them a kill people. Them see I got they go plan with the CIA them to come assassinate Michael man. To Michael man and look out for the poor.
Okay.
The poor. At them
No,
time
but
them war. We have to
hold
sleep with
on.
one
More
eye
to
and
mama.
one eye open.
Hey, more to sit call me a pastor talk a lot of things and a lot of people not believe him, but we know Kakoya. If Andrew I try to buy vote with 12 year, I will grant Pitney money. Remember say we grant Pitney money and take a buy vote with cause buy my borrow money from the airport. He have to say Maggie back $20,000 for buy vote because I know him dead in our show, so The only thing you can come with, I promise $20,000. You say my buy vote. But me tell you this, what we don't know. This election, it have a call at least February. No, cause anyway past February, Jamaica go find out that Andrew is really wicked and go find out the hardship and the terribleness where Andrew and him man put this country under. But we tell you now, but the country broke. I be a talk them attack. We don't have no money.
Exactly.
Right now, the Spark program can't spark and the Reach program can't come. They won't go do a little thing now to start Patron Road when they come near to election. That means to say they can't say. They make people feel to say people are going to take them and say, all right, it'll come. But no Spark program, no 40 billion can't, no, they know what to do no road. That a PR talk and just chat them a chat because they want people to believe in them. We don't have nothing in this country. This country, this Christmas gonna be the worst Christmas to Jamaica. If you not see what go on, we economy depend on decline. Look here, you borrow $12 billion, and the $12 billion where you borrow, you couldn't say I go buy a bed put in a hospital, you couldn't buy chair put in a school. You are using by vote.
30,000 if we catch criminal.
Yeah, I can buy vote. I vote him buy with that money there. And the lady right then when the chat right now, I send some comment. They come like some no live in Jamaica, no dumb and stupid like no no conscience for Jamaican poor people. People are work yeah, work $2 US hour. Jamaican up here scrape the bottom of the table to survive. I know that this a chat account about work there. Eh?
They make them died.
You understand? People have to work right now at $20,000 minimum wages right now. Can't help poor people in Jamaica right now. I know that chatter come chatter for that disrespect because like now in Jamaica, I should have shame. And you understand $8 billion gone for NHT. So they go for a secret deal with NEPA. We go take money from the Jewish place. To backstab the people in them back. I don't know that chatter come big up and journalists and the government. I know that don't me tell you no labor right. You shouldn't depend this attack.
Even the part program. Look what the people look what they get to part.
I want to come from a pay when get to come back and journalists and in wickedness. You know that set and don't hey yo, Mr. right now. Mr. them for black out of this account no sense man.
No, I'm not listening.
You know the pan this I come back and journalists after and journalists spend 8 years in 9 years in a government and become the richest prime minister of Jamaica. Well, and he can't tell we how he will come.
All right, the party now.
$40 million US in value.
The party now. And for the poorest and the poorest and where them are the people in a part that can't.
And more money, it was school money when take gas school.
Yeah.
So rich and
you understand?
That can't
wickedness.
For 2 months. Come on, man. You're supposed to do every month. Every month, and the people them get something can't go buy food. For food is so expensive.
The Prime Minister was a shareholder in a SSL. And enough money them rob up in a SSL. You know. All boat lose them how much? 12 million US in a SSL. And the Prime Minister, the criminal Prime Minister was a shareholder in a SSL. And he get money from SSL according to the Integrity Commission report, you know. And he never have money in the SSL, but him get withdrawn from SSL.
I'm saying no it going.
Exactly. The man a criminal and liar and thief.
And the wickedest man, the wickedest prime minister Jamaica ever seen.
Every man I get pay as can't teamwork, you know, and pay their account.
You're right. Like bank account without the money.
Of course.
And by
now what worry yourself? God sit there and look at lower. God not like when they oppress the poor. God
they
don't like
when they comment and send all the comment where they want to send. Because guess what? Then soon knows the Anjones and him and them gonna preserve poor people money.
Yeah, just like when fear. It's when fear they have the Egyptian them in a bandage. I saw God deliver them and him still a pursuit like how God do with them. When them still a
Remember
protest,
saying no?
yes, what God do with them. God don't like
All right.
oppressor.
If she has if she that say we have one bag of lie we are tell. So why you not come tell we say come
Yeah.
prove it to us say we are liar?
Okay, jump on the platform. PNP take on Mexico by platform. More I labor
Them,
them story.
Andrew Price, them
So
man.
why she not come tell we why she knows a lie we are tell?
Andrew
She go
Price,
cannot text
them
and say
man.
a lie.
No.
Them only have propaganda with them hear from nationwide, cause them can't read. So them
Naturally.
depend on nationwide for tell
Them
them
can't
what to
Yeah.
say and the script and the narrative with them running.
No,
So
but
even if them
look
come,
here,
them not gonna make no sense.
if JLP a back a man like Warmington, we are one of the biggest shit in the politics right now. Warmington shouldn't even dare it. And JLP sit on a back
No,
Warmington.
them
That's
have
simple
them
thing to say.
secret. No, them him have them secret.
Naturally.
So yeah, them can't too push him out.
Yeah.
But we but find up chatting, we bust out everything.
So you know you don't have nothing to say now. So the only thing they can say now is my golden color. When they choose white people for the whole entire history, white man they might choose as their leader.
But enough for them cabinet and most white
General.
people in there.
Take over there. Carl Sumuda awa. Mike Henry awa. Sam Tavares awa. None of them
Vals
are black man.
awa. Vals awa.
But look here, see the man go send one white man. See the man go send one white man. I am thing there. I am a sentence yesterday. A white man that you know. So why a white man instead go be the custard for sentence?
Ah.
Hmm?
But them attack. All right, remember at the same black man them
Look here,
because tell the black
about
people them
justice
to
for
the
Melissa
same
Silvera
master
and Juliet Wellness, all got prison for Melissa Silvera. So, I'm not turn down on watch and see justice. I got to make the arrest, I will soon see justice.
Everybody I get them pay, man.
Yeah.
Nothing no go and punish.
Oh yeah, I just attention say I look for truth. So, I don't really not say I look for attention.
Teresa Sinclair, what you?
Yeah, man. Good afternoon to each and every one of you who is on the panel. I'm here.
Yeah, man. Bless up yourself.
Who said, trust me, all of the people that even get $20,000, I can guarantee you that 15,000 was bogus and the next 5,000. I might be on 5,000 would be like that. A lot of them get vote for bounce. All bounce trip. Trust me, like seriously. And this is not no yap and no joke business when we are talking about. No, we now get this. Now load of all you know. But what I can tell you for right now, based on where Andrew are going, it make no sense, and it make sense in industrial election and step down because whenever time him call him, I will get a straight wipe out.
But I don't know why.
And that's just a clear signal going. And the labor right them is just stupid, them just dark, them just ignorant, and them can't reason.
Yeah.
We don't know where them come from.
Them just a jump up.
It's like when somebody attack them can't relax and allow the person to talk. And put it this way, what if you have a point to put across? Okay, somebody saying something and you feel like you want to rebut what the person is saying. How do you not just relax and just listen? When your time comes, you get your time to rebut. Yeah, you know, you have some people that's not no respect. Yeah, so I just ignorance and that this and come and defend
and people fit dead and who are paying fit dead. What kind of thought that?
Right now the economic
Because they're stupid right man say that.
It's not good. 0.1% at the moment, right? That's what if them need to talk about that is what they need to talk. So all the promises where them make, there's no way them can deliver none of those promises.
If we do it if we do all of the promises,
Why not do it now? What that we
No.
Why not do it now?
They don't have the money. That's why my
Yeah, man, that's your word. Do it no.
No money not there.
How am I going to do it? How am I going to do it? Him have so
58
much,
million.
so much problem in his thoughts.
No, just do it no. Fire the big man, do it no.
Number one, Clarendon, which strong we live. A car road we are driving right now with vehicle mash up all long road can't fix nothing now do. A mongoose left to draw we out a bush.
Look here,
When
nowhere in
Richard
Jamaica on a
Hassan in
good
a
road.
power, we never know where to live to see this when Richard Hassan a run Frank Field, not even a pothole in a road. So look on the place, them come up and shut up, that them figure shut up them stinking mouth, but
Them.
Dark
See,
and ignorant. Yeah.
Then dog and hey, but say appear them a get to say some things, man, because them a get them look at, but them a get them look at, but
no, man.
if
but
you see
not
if you see
only
them
that,
people that
if
come
the
to labor right now, I don't know why.
Eh?
Right,
No,
brother.
sir.
But no, I am
look
saying,
what
you know,
happened to
we as young people grow up, right? And it doesn't matter which of the party. If you see you have voted better yourself and your family, your kid, you pick the future you have vote for. And if you see somebody not doing what they're supposed to do, come on, man, you must can look around and call them out. It doesn't matter which side, brother.
Right.
Straight up. You understand? You need to call a spade and stop look on things and pretend you're blind. You don't know what come on, man. The Jamaica go better.
Can't call wrong right.
No,
Can't call
that's
wrong
wrong.
right. Not shoot then I you.
Next week Friday, then time I will hear. Next week Friday, I go hear Andrew Holness are running a big boat. Them I go appeal again. Cause they want out here again. Now, so when time they lose the court next year, next week. Well, next week when they got court, them I go appeal here again.
And that's why the labor right them need to know that
Because I know with the Indian Town division that they lost, right? We were supposed to expect to take over back as the maker. See and Bag, we were supposed to do that the maker. Now that they're saying that they're not stepping though.
Because they know they have a whole of corruption in it since then going in February. So if you step down now, see and I go find the corruption.
This is why the labor right them need to understand that the Prime Minister still under investigation is not free.
Yeah.
It's been referred to the FID and the Tax Administration of Jamaica, and when they make them finding, they're gonna send it back to the Integrity Commission. And until that day come, statutory declaration cannot be certified, and he's not qualified to be Prime Minister. He's a criminal, should be prosecuted.
All right. Yeah.
Them need to understand.
And there is no way he can go in another general election with him statutory.
Not declare.
Yeah.
People are not.
But all we are going to say, no, we can't talk, and enough of them don't understand nothing what we are saying.
Remember that them have 5 liberal MPs.
Then look here. Remember, say all them vote for and put up in green clocks, and for them can buy the clocks now. So guess what? You only substance and did that, but tell them say they must put on in green clocks.
The only thing them vote for $5,000 a box loan.
And it can
But not only that, in a COVID, him said the little corner shop them, I spread the COVID. Oh, him there corner shop now, take off shoes and a lift up people, poor people, dirty baby. All that, all not catch germs and that food.
and the house
poor
to
people
house
to eat that. People were educated now.
and a campaign house to house and
Yeah.
2 o'clock at night, 3 o'clock at night.
Promise.
look here. Next day, you know.
I'm a general, but me tell you something. You see, longer in tech, it will get even worse.
Yeah,
So,
that's what me I say.
All right.
now, better now it will get worse.
Yeah, man, the walls are closing in for criminal Prime Minister. It's a criminal enterprise we have in a government, in a criminal organization, you know. I hope you know that, you know. The whole of them are got prison, you know. That's why them are fight to win and stay in a power.
They now win.
Look here.
Them now win, but them, that's the only way them now go prison, and if them try stay in a power.
Yeah,
Yeah.
say I one of the biggest landslide the team I will get. And I will go down in the Guinness Book of Records as one of the worst Prime Minister that Jamaica has ever seen.
After the Integrity Commission still has 7 more criminals
He's gonna
in the
go down in the
parliament,
Guinness Book of
whatever
Records as one of the worst
file
Prime
the
Minister
report on them yet, you know. We still have 7 criminals in the parliament, in the JLP government, where the Integrity Commission have under investigation and release the report yet, you know. So them 7 criminals they about forget and mask. But them are so anybody support criminality is a criminal.
And we need them to release. And we need them to release the rest of 7 quickly.
Well, yeah, we
See
need them
somebody come out of the
corresponding.
box up, Terry, you can come up, come defend your party if you want. Come defend your party, because since that you didn't send up your chat them. Come here the
Yeah,
box,
come
come
talk.
tell me the lie them away I tell.
Yeah, Kerry can
You
represent
can't do
your
it.
party. And you can't make it PNP alone and take over a panel.
They can't talk.
Yeah, man, when I want to liberate them to company, man, make way about it.
They don't have no reasonability.
The good thing they can't text in and talk about lie, this and lie that, and they can't come up and tell the lie.
I said that your mother.
Them a text and can't spell and them grammar. Them grammar not them subject and them verb don't agree. Them not know grammar.
Yeah.
Literate all of them. Pull it down.
Yeah, because everything with them,
You know that they embrace, man.
everything with them Prime Minister already promised them a conference where they already started from 2016, 2017. So
Yeah,
come
man,
on.
I mean,
And him just keep repeating himself like a repeater.
Do it now and know what wants to
Not new.
do action now. Why not say another bag of action? Do it now.
It's just that she don't want to come in at the box with me. Me know who I am. So what she saying that fears me. So make me come out of the box and make she come in at the box, come defend our corrupt government and party. All right. Blessings, everybody.
Yeah, Pastor, respect me, G.
Yeah, man, respect our manners.
And not a two more corruption block today, no. Two. How much $1 billion can get account for an action? And that is in the office of the Prime Minister once more. The two of them in the office of the Prime Minister. Not out of the office. Two more. Never archers.
Labor, con defend Doctor say. Doctor say 2 more corruption boss out today.
Yeah, man.
They can't come in and see
because at the end of the day, I got to ask the judge or the court to keep it, not to disclose it to the public. No, what. You can't do that.
After
not much fish get off and all them stuff.
In the eye and Trump gawk what in corruption.
That you see.
Take him above the law. And them make the law and them not want the law catch up on them. So me can't go so.
Remember,
Can go so.
him implement certain things.
But judge to strike out. Strike out what? Strike out you.
And after he implement it, he want the judge to
So me can't go so.
Even the enrichment law. I am come up with the enrichment law.
If you have 2 terms, if you have 2 terms, and everything cannot happen within the 2 terms, it will happen again. But we're not talking about that. We're not talking about everything can happen in a 2 terms. Come and name for the last 9 years what they in battle the corrupt government under investigation to illicit enrichment, use charity money, buy tax and ban.
That him do?
Yes. Come and
yes.
Jamaican people, because Sunday Andrew hold the mic, a conference, a failed conference, the upstate empty. A failed conference. Come and tell the Jamaican people Andrew Willis can tell them what he has done for the last 8 years. That's all we're asking, you know.
The man do stop a man in enrichment himself.
Yeah, and while the people them poor and suffer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Him do something, of course. You see, man, richer and richer.
Come, all ye that we will come. You understand me? Come and tell the Jamaican people, because the Prime Minister cannot. Right? Tell the Jamaican people with him do Sunday. He have the whole of Jamaica attention Sunday. The whole of Jamaica That's all their conference. And the cream, they use the plastic and dig you out.
All he did was, all he did,
From the mass gambling.
Yeah, be a gambler.
all he did was
Away from the mass gambling.
Because 3/4 what him tell the people him say he's gonna do presently. I went the promise from
PNP cannot mad out. Look at the PNP conference. You see anyone at PNP them up there asleep. You see Carl Samuda asleep and hardly shot sleep. Tell right your face never look good. Right? We take back Kenyan town from you and we retain back Maran Bay.
Yeah.
You understand me? So we cannot mad out. We took back after 8 months Kenyan town. So any mother mad out. I don't know.
You can't manage them when them any town. Can you imagine them when any town division in February and last it back within 6 to 8 or 7 months now? Yeah, and last it back something.
Me tell you, man, $100 cents. The man get the beat on Friday and then go sat there clap and I got beat and I get the beat. Is this $7 cents? He might go past stage.
Remember the plan on party name Plain Sweep, you know?
Yeah.
Let me tell you. What you know, the human brains wire left to right. Right? The left side of the brains control the right side of the body and the right side of the brains control the left side. Labor right brains connect one way.
One way. Man, I flash and say, we're going to whip them and then get the beat on Friday. You know sense?
Right?
The embarrassment.
Nonsense.
First in over 40 years, the PNP had won the GLP in a by-election. First.
And you know, when I feel like we have to fill them seat. Now they take it, we not borrow it, so we go back to it.
Thank you.
Then borrow the chair, so we go back to the chair.
If anybody am mad out, right? It can't be the PNP.
Well.
Yeah.
I want like a place I catch them up, you know, man. Anytime them call anytime them call the general election, I can tell you, Northern and West gone.
Them a talk about why we never the contest. We shouldn't have the liar do man the thief now. Why we never that well you shouldn't have that?
Dan Wimple, then they would get it right. Hold on.
But if we didn't ever contest with a winner, if the other man, the independent get 1,000
Look here, all if we win, all of the carry are the MP, it won't change the price of salty. We want the general election.
Simple.
Good.
That's all.
And the price of salty you want change.
Yeah. First about to say selfish, better education. Too much education, big problem.
One new person come and gone again.
See, I got it said too much jingles when I get on the pocket. You remember them time there? And I impressed that the racism in about we are black, PJ black scandal bag. Remember?
Black scandal bag.
And they must say about how we
and that demoralized him right for and he couldn't win back an election in Jamaica.
Couldn't win back an election and we might call black scandal bag.
Opposition in
Them remember that?
Of course.
And them talk about a PNP start. And them start about the and I saw the song they cut, say my leader banner 5 never banner.
No for them don't know that.
In the 70s, but it was like a racist song. The song was identifying we never said Mr. Siaga white man and he can't lead with.
No, we never talk about white man.
And he can't lead with. The song was only getting in touch with the Jamaican people that our leader Barney.
Yeah.
We never call Mr. Siaga white man.
Him say we have black scandal bag.
Mr. Siaga said that.
Yeah.
Mr. Patterson black scandal bag.
Yeah.
And the next line when we hear them tell on Sunday, Dr. Dar said it. That in the surgery in a scandal back. Well, at the time doctors was on the guilty side of file for a seat. And everybody knew, as Venice and Philip said, that the Jamaica Labour Party is full of liars and deception. Thank God in come and back and saw the light. There's no surgery can do with scandal back. None.
Say it, me boss. Say it again, me boss.
No surgery. None. I have asked several medical doctors, right? They have cut a patient and go in her belly. Even a little hand surgery, you cannot use nothing more and do sanitary something. None. And I would like to hear a medical doctor come and challenge that. None.
One new person up on the panel. Go to McMary officer. User.
Well, come on, make him come.
Yeah, go to family. User, got you.
All right, I'm not ready yet.
I got you, doctor.
Right? None.
Cool.
So when you hear...
Yes, my boss, what you said, it well said.
When you hear Mr. Tufton came out and lied to the Jamaican people in his own constituency, but by name Kissing Town, we built a new health center 1997 up there.
Okay.
1983 to 1987, Edward George Phillips Yaga, underneath Dr. Kenneth Barr, and a son to son of Punkos, made it two of them soul rotten in hell. I know me say that about seeing it all road, a son of Punkos is up. And just referring what he said about seeing it all road. 5 major hospitals was closed down in Jamaica. All the health aid was sent home. Thousands and hundreds of clinics were closed down.
Yeah.
The start out Cornwall Regional Hospital 2016 when Maurice Guy look at you and said better to tear down and build because the draft plan was there. You say no, you are going to renovate at $2 billion. Today, that's $21.4 billion and climbing. That's evidence, fact. $1.7 trillion cannot give account. 770 billion is from the Ministry of Health. That's evidential fact.
Yeah.
And the scandal, bag up scandal. 40 different type of scandal. Never in the history of this country that a prime minister have to investigate it for illicit enrichment, mean thief. Never in the history.
Never.
Where a prime minister take $34,000 from a charity named Positive Foundation, carry to the bank by tax and bond, and when them find out inside the bank take mistake. Never in the history of this country a prime minister
Never
have $20 million I run from one bank book to the other bank book to the other bank book, and when the tax officer give me to me a little bit, he said me no make no money.
Yeah.
You don't know nothing about them.
And then I tell
Your mortal bank account where I first never see this account, but my account and you're not in it. You have to pick up when I get me.
And when they ask you about SSL, you say you don't know nothing about SSL.
Yeah, remember, see, I got the bar money and say never remember about it. So it's in them blood.
Sunbless, got you. Represent for your party.
Same textbook them I use, man.
Watch out. You remember, you know, Mark Golden in a parliament, you know, Mark Golden on the government, and them to investigate Mark Golden when getting. You saw them dark and fool, not Mark Golden bar with gold spoon in my mouth.
For real, man. Sheila, give Sunbless. Oh, you're reaching out?
Yeah, Sheila take.
What you want to make way away, officer? Oh, you're on gone.
Mark Golden to investigate.
Yeah.
Mark was a liar. The man have him bang. I watch with them. Them say everybody thief here. Them say PNP. Say yes, PNP take a some, but they take a chop load.
You remember, say, Mark Golden father farm Mona
Really
reaction.
Mona, yeah.
You remember that?
Mark,
So
what we talk and get fee money. You saw the bird have no sense?
And take your own fence.
Look here, man. One way, let's go for them program. If them company program, the only thing them know is about your mother.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They don't know about them.
And who are homosexual.
And gunshot.
Yeah.
But how about them inside that day, no?
Bolano, the one JLP politician invite one youth to find yard, and him and his friend hold him down and rape him.
The man is Steve say no.
It's alleged.
Warming.
No, the paper and get charged.
So Warmington company in full leg.
You want next man the Warmington jacket for him foot. Right? Men went to bed by Barbican Road. Hunting to the day one don't come back to the land of the living. And the newspaper says that and Patrick Bailey, a boyfriend and girlfriend. That's what the king of said.
Alright, panel don't go on reason. I get ready to go up on the road now. So I don't go on the thing.
Yeah, me soon gonna look out some food I know.
You go back again. Right? When you have a minister of government, the pan of radio show, Nigel Clark, and the man you are going like no Uno, or like within the party, the time every 1st of December, our New Year's party. I don't hear the PNP have no gay New Year's party.
Yeah, man. Yo, daddy, me love the reasoning. Me love the reasoning there for real.
But yet you come when people are talking about what affect Jamaica. A tin of mackerel yesterday, $30 gone panny. The little tin, the little shake.
Remember, but remember, the Prime Minister said no. There's no new taxes.
Say.
Yeah, man.
Remember,
there's no new tax.
Remember when Nigel Clark went in a parliament and he had to do the budget debate? Remember, he was the one who come up with red card. I remember what happened shortly after he was grandstanding and attack about red card. Remember what happened to the budget?
It couldn't go through. But you not hear me?
Good.
He might play a match and out red card, and the real referee give him red card. Where him there now? Nigel, you who are criticized Mark Wall in color. What the color of Nigel Clark was?
Good.
Right?
So I'm taking off a vase too. And vase them.
Hypocrisy them, man. Hypocrisy. But guess what? Nothing where them do can never stop Mark Golding, our Prime Minister, in waiting. You can't stop him, no matter where them want to do.
I don't matter about the color. If the cat black or in white, once the cat catch the mouse, I have
Very
no
well,
problem
sir.
with it. But this cat not catching the mouse.
Yeah, man, in catching and carrying a females.
But over the years, PNP was always for the poorer class of people, The Labour Party was always for the richer class of people, and we all know that. And we see it played out even now, at present.
Play now.
Them a man that don't care about nobody, man, from ever since. From ever since. Right?
So,
You can
because I guess actually they not have nothing to come with, So them have to find some form of racist thing to feel so that can tear down Comrade Gold.
yeah, but
That will never happen.
all of what
People.
about Mark Golding color. Boy, what a web with a whip. If all the white men them in Jamaica take up them business and walk out because them white. Leave it Chinese them. Just all the white man them. What a web we. When all who there England, I cut Nigel Clark and Mark Golding saying white. And America and Canada, if the white man said that's no black. Oh, what a web we weep.
If them bishop them out of them country to what?
Mark Golding never gained self-skin. Him earn it because his father was a British man, but Mark Golding born at Jamaica, grew up at Jamaica, got school at Jamaica, him on the study overseas. So when them come with a nonsense, I just show some people just not read, so them have no understanding. So them stupid.
No overseas Andrew go study as can to them and get that correct. Bella Vera, whoever we are.
When? After last week, we heard them said that.
No, that's why I use the word as can to what they said. I don't make it up.
Yes.
Me know, man.
Right? Them have Matthew Samuda who born in England. Them have Warmington have a dual citizenship. I believe in Canada.
Matthew Samuda, yes. Eval Warmington.
In Barna.
Yeah. Warmington. Yeah.
Canada.
Remember, say that dude did carry Vals go up to PNP at the time.
Yeah.
You understand me? So these are the people them who will come out because
that do I need liar.
Yeah.
Because somebody you want half pound of saltfish to tell lie. Me not have no reason to tell lie. No reason.
Yeah. So you have some people them just hear things and them not try to fact check and try to read and try to do some research first, then just run with what they hear. You understand? If you ask them few questions and them can explain themselves and how they get that information. That's why they hear them and run with.
Virgin. They know it. Some of them live it. Right? Now, when you say you are Mark Golding go school together. Yeah, man, we are go school together, man. Yeah, man, we are go school together. But anyhow, leave him alone. Because you don't ask some fool question. The fact remains that he did, in Jamaica, even if he's not born in Jamaica, he did not break the constitution of Jamaica. Like we have a prime minister who presently, if justice should be served, he is he break a law. He take the charity money and bank in him one name is a fraud.
That's a fraud. That is a fraud.
Corruption.
Oi,
But the money that remember say all was COVID money where people them need to get no 3/4 of them people they never get it because they claim say people them never have the represent thing them where was supposed to collect their money, they never some of them never have ID or whatever. So all of that money that them never spend them the money that they run election.
Come back with the card and say, "They lose the election, they cannot do the war and the war." They start right now. They come back with Siagata. I think them are use a kill the people.
So would it say fire for fire and blood for blood?
Them man.
So everything where I just tribal, the party they are just a tribal party from ever since, and people just need to understand and people just need to know these things. You understand and realize a PNP party that the something.
Anyway, you take it. Yeah, problem. No man, and the PNP man. Okay, the win will we get up here. I think it
Yeah, no. So everybody start up on the live.
None of them now come up. God.
Now labor right now come up. Tell them couple of them to show up the head, man.
Labor right then there. Labor right, you know, come up.
Tell them to show up the head, man. We want to have a talk, man. Time with them I take a text. Tell them to show up the head, man.
no, let me tell you.
Scary, come on the panel.
Let me tell you. If you see them now in a one box amongst themselves, where there's nobody to say yes or no, you lie or true.
Okay.
Yeah. Nobody at all to report what them say.
No. So one of them say lie this morning, and then the whole of them say, oh, I saw it go.
You head up the stream.
You understand me?
So no,
When
if you say no man in a stuff.
Yeah, when me hear a man say all of the PJ do part program, Operation Pride, NIPA, JUT.
Oh God, man. There's so much achievement and 18 years. There's so much achievement. Look here now, man. If them should have had Andrew 9 years and had Bruce Gold in 4 years, that's 13 years. And if you put that 14 years, you can come nowhere close to the 18 years where they keep on at about PNP mash up country in 18 years.
No, man,
Remember, the PJ party start you know, brother. And when we started, the first thing they used to criticize us and said, the young thing PJ do is only make highway. Right? But remember, if you don't make highway, how can you move goods and service from point A to point B within a reasonable time? So some people don't understand, so in order to become a developed country, or a first world country, you have to have road that can take you from point A to point B within a reasonable time. People don't understand that. But you understand what I'm saying? So
Sinclair, Siaga named the Pani Highway.
No one have finish up. So
Sinclair.
Them not going for themselves to talk about. No at all them not for themselves.
Sinclair.
Bustamante Hospital, we Bustamante name the pan. I know Bustamante Billino. Bustamante Hospital was an old soldier barrack camp. And 62, when Jamaica get independent, the Queen give them it because the children were used to their own CPA. And they moved it go up there.
In there,
yeah.
Yeah, man, I know them no build no hospital, them no renovate no hospital, them close down hospital. Right?
So at the end, all that they are doing is just going around and press propaganda upon the PNP them, while the PNP responsible for the most infrastructure in Jamaica and the most things that happen in Jamaica, man, I need PNP regime. And I eat them and live off right now and a bad panda a batting crew. Remember we went Peter Phillips. David Peter Phillips. Remember say Portia Simpson when Portia Simpson take over. That in Miami, if not in 1 year from we have to go bend down on we knee. We have Bruce Gold in the mash up economy. And go back IMF to beg them.
Terry,
Right?
if you want PNP time come and gone. Hold on there, brother. Terry, if you want PNP time come and gone, tell Andrew to call it.
Yes,
Tell
good.
him to call it.
Yeah, tell him to call it.
Tell him
Yeah,
that
tell him to wake up a morning.
Yeah, man. Tell him to call it.
Tell him to wake up a
Tell him
morning.
say with dear
And call it.
call it.
No, call it.
Yeah. But we want the time come for you and gone, you know.
Yeah.
We want the time
We know where we stand.
come and gone for you, you know. But if I mean you carry, I'm sure, hey, all labor right who sure say labor right a win. Type in call it and you call it.
Yeah, tell
All
him to
labor
call
right.
it. The people them out take the money and him out and vote him out. That go happen. And him know too.
You know see what Sunday. You know see what
Of course.
Sunday.
You're lying.
The amount of people where them people
That's
one
why,
man
by the way.
with 10 bags of food.
That's why it's
That them have
free.
whole man will get so much food.
Yeah.
May I say to you, man, we are come so late, brother.
Thank you.
Just use those
Yeah,
guys
man.
and practice.
Tell him to tap text and show up there in I thing, man. Tell him to come up over the debate, man.
Them barely can spell and them barely can articulate.
Hey, panel, may I forgot move now, so we link up back tomorrow, you know.
Yeah, man,
Yes,
the
yeah,
word
right.
is love, my
Respect
brother.
man,
Yeah, man.
yes.
Guidance, man.
Yes, today.
Yeah, man.
That's
Yeah,
good,
blessed
yes,
man. Hey, man, link up back tomorrow, make we meet again.
Yeah, man. See
Yeah.
him travel
All
by the
right.